Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about how to make an avatar or icon for YouTube and all other platforms. And you need to know the size of what your icon is going to be, your icon or avatar is going to be. And the way to do that is to Google it. And just in the search, type out what is the size of a YouTube avatar, and then you'll see right on that page that it goes to, you're going to see the dimensions. In this case, we're going to do YouTube, and it's going to be 800 by 800 pixels. We're going to go to our file manager. And I have a picture of this dog here, and it's a little bit wide. There's too much of an area here and all that. We need to improve that. I'm gonna double click. Okay, we're gonna use a tool called snipping tool. If you go on start or you go on search, just type in snipping tool and then click on that. Okay. In this case, I have it here. Okay, and now we're gonna left click, and then we're gonna drag a box. Okay, as square as we can. Okay. That looks about there. If it's not good, you could always go back, okay, and redo it again. Okay, that looks about good there. It's, you know, pretty good box. And we're going to click here and save it. Okay. Back into the file that you want it to go to. Okay, we can click off this. Okay, and here it is. Okay, let's see where it's at now. It's at 293 times 281, and we want that at 800. Okay, so we're gonna left click, highlight, and then right click. And we're going to go to edit here. We're going to go to paint. This is the paint. Okay, I think this is right in Windows. It's called paint. We're going to go to resize. Click on resize. And over here you click on pixels. And then over here, maintain aspect ratio. Click that off. This is very important. Click that off. Okay, we're going to change the numbers here to 800. Okay, do the vertical also. Delete it. Put in the numbers. It's now 800 by 800 here, horizontal and vertical. Exactly the same. Maintain aspect ratio is off. Click OK. Okay. Now we have to save this. Click on File. Go to Save As. Click on that. Okay, and here we're gonna give it a different name here. Okay, I'm just gonna add an A to it. That'll do the job. And we're gonna put it back in the file. Click OK. Click off. And here we are over here. And that's exactly 800 by 800. It's a PNG file. Everything is good. You can now put this on YouTube. If you want it for something else like Twitter or anything, Microsoft, all you have to do is go to Google, type out what's the size of the avatar or icon, and it'll tell you there. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, watching the video. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.